Hello guys, welcome back to Gary's Mods from Chasing with me. This will be episode 7, and today we're going to be on Tornado Plains, but I just wanted to start on this menu, just to let you guys know what we're going to be doing next. So it's going to go Tornado Plains, and then these two, which these are part of the GMTR map pack. And then we might do a night map, not this one, because this one's actually bright the way that they have it set up. But I'll probably do like, where's that one at? Yeah, 2014 night. Yeah, so. Yeah, 2014 night. But yeah, I think I've done GMT farmland. Okay, we're in. The audio stopped. Okay, so what I usually do is I hit the good old F1 button, go to utilities, server settings, and then go to no clip speed, up that to 5, physics gun, up the max beam range, and then that's it. But this is a lot different than the GMSC maps, or the regular ones anyway. This is like out in like, I don't know why they chose to have a texture like this. This is like, I guess out in the middle of nowhere, but yeah, I fixed this last video because there's a prop right here that weighed, it used to weigh 50 pounds, but I made it weigh nothing, and it still freezes to the ground and everything. So yeah, put the lights on it. Doesn't look. We'll definitely be using this thing when we go on a night map. And the probe truck, the Dodge from Twister. But yeah, what the heck is that? Oh, that's part of the car. Okay. First things first. I just used this today. I also got rid of the indicator in the top left. I don't know if that was annoying or not, but and that prop should be, yeah, it's no collided. If I hit C, right click it, yeah, enable collisions, it's turned off. I should just be able to drive around wherever then. But siren has not gone off, so hopefully you guys can't hear me drink. It'd be very annoying. While we're here and waiting, let's get, I don't want that. Let's get this thing out. And for it to go, you know, this way. But Gmod does what it wants to do. There, that can stay there. And if it's like an F1 or something that's not going to keep the Or if it's moving too fast, like you can't, there's really no point in driving into an F1 because it's so fast that you won't get any. And this thing doesn't even have a screen in it. Been recording for 10.5 minutes and no tornado. So, as I say that, but these drop down. That's really loud. Yeah, this one lowers too. Can't remember how you... Oh. Okay, that's how you lower that. But this is Dominator 2. Which do these need to be? Did you hear that? It kind of snuck up on us. But yeah, that'd be the case where we couldn't chase it because it's too small. Yeah, there's the F1. That's why I like the particle system on this map. It's a lot more advanced. There's a lot more to deal with. Where's that at? Oh, it's right there. Now this one we can get into. That's an F3. Wonder if it'll take away the Jimmy. Probably will. Not taking away the Jimmy. Huh. We're just gonna zip right past it. And get in front of it, because it's going to the weather station. This would be a lot better if we had a speedometer in this thing, because there is none. I have one with it on it. I just put it on the radar right up top. That little, like, white square. If you watch from pictures, you know what I'm talking about. I might actually just cut out that first part with the F1 because that was kind of boring. I don't think anyone wants to hear me talk about TIVs and Dominators for 20 minutes. But yeah, that thing should... I don't know where that's going. Okay, it died. Wait, why is that one side textured like that? Hold on. why it was like that. I never noticed that. Must have been a prop that the creators forgot to do. But yeah. This Dominator, I like this one. This one's nice. I will warn you, the nighttime maps are very, very, very laggy. So, yeah. 6. Okay. Yeah. I'll do one more tornado. Hopefully it'll be, something big again. And then I will go off camera and put a speedometer in this thing. I mean, I could just do it right now, but I have to cut a lot of it, and we might get a tornado in the process. But gas station is destroyed, looks like. Yeah. I think the tornado kind of like teased the outside of it and just went like right back here. I gotta look back at the footage, but the monitor. Because it all pushed everything to the back. That's an odd wind system. Look at that. I've never seen that happen before. It's always just pulled everything out. But, yeah. You can see how it tried to take the props away, but it wasn't quite ready yet. Like, I'm pretty sure it just, like, teased it and just went around there. Because it didn't suck the Jimmy away. Jimmy's sitting right here. The only thing that comes close enough, I think, to damage the Jimmy is the F5, because F5 goes like right through there, just like right through the middle. But yeah, I mean, you can see like I'm getting like 100 FPS. 140. Okay, let's back away from that because that's super loud. Oh, here we go. I can go back and delete all the crap that I have. Okay, we're back. This is a 40-minute video, though. Probably cut down to probably 40. But yeah, it still says that there's 10 pages, but I'm walking again. It says that there's 10 pages, but there's only 4. But yeah, this is a really nice Dominator. I like this one. I think this is partially made by Business Cat, actually. The guy that makes all of this. I think it's on his page, actually. Yeah, this is like the Dominator 3, essentially. So I don't know if this one. I don't actually think that this one freezes. No, that one doesn't freeze. It has a wire advanced input on it, but it does not freeze. Oh, F3. Let's go. I'll come back to that later. That can just stay there. There goes the Dominator. Look, it just threw the Jimmy. And it died. Okay. I'm gonna end it off here in a second, but look at the look at that. Yeah, it's freaking out. Yeah, see, that one's fine. Oh, it's end to freeze it. That's kind of an odd spot to freeze it. Yeah, this is not a good Dominator. Okay. Well, I will see you guys in the next one, after this one is cut and edited and uploaded. It'll probably be a night map with the Dominator. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you later.